In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align to first selected object in PowerPoint. If you've ever lined up shapes, pictures, or icons and noticed they don't quite match, this technique will save you time and give you pixel-perfect results. The key idea is that PowerPoint can align multiple objects relative to a single fixed object, your anchor, so that only the other items move. Start by selecting all the objects you want to align. You can drag a selection box around them or click them one by one. Now, decide which object should stay exactly where it is. Click that object to make it the anchor. PowerPoint indicates the anchor with a slightly thicker outline compared to the others. If any items become deselected, simply hold Shift and click them again to include them in the selection. The anchor should remain selected the entire time. With everything selected and your anchor chosen, go to the top ribbon. If you selected Shapes, you'll see the Shape Format tab. If you selected Pictures, you'll see the Picture Format tab. Click that, then find the Align button, usually on the right side of the ribbon. Click Align to open the menu of alignment options. Choose how you want the non-anchor objects to line up relative to the anchor. Align. Left snaps their left edges to the left edge of the anchor. Align right snaps to the right edge. Align top aligns the tops, and Align bottom aligns the bottoms. If you choose Align Center, you're centering everything horizontally based on the anchor's horizontal center. Align middle centers them vertically based on the anchor's vertical center. In every case, the anchor remains in place, and all the other objects move to match it. A quick tip for clarity: center and middle sound similar but do different things. Center lines objects up left to right, while middle lines them up top to bottom. If you want perfect centering in both directions, you can run center and then middle one after the other. If your objects aren't moving the way you expect, open the Align menu and quickly check that PowerPoint is aligning to the selected objects, not to the slide. The anchor method only works when it's set to align to selected objects. Also, if you make a mistake, use Undo and try a different alignment option until everything looks right. That's all there is to it. Select your items, pick the anchor, open the Align menu in Shape Format or Picture Format, and apply the alignment you need. Your layouts will look cleaner, more professional, and a whole lot faster to build.